What's up guys, Terex and Mr. God right here with TerexMedia.com. So you have your single, you're ready, and you want to go out there and you actually want to be more successful in your music career in 2022. Well, today I'm going to give you 5 ways on how you can actually be a lot more successful in your music career in 2022. Kicking off things with number 1 is for you to have a portfolio. Now, you know how when you're going into a job interview, you have your resume with all of the things that you actually can do for them. Yeah, this is sort of like that. Think of an artist who is going to go for some sort of presentation or something like that, and they bring a portfolio of all of the works that they've done before. This is the exact same way that you should actually mentally think about your music, because when you have a portfolio, a catalog of music for people to actually listen to. Now think about this, when someone goes to your profile, what are they actually going to see? And I'm not just talking about mixtapes here, I'm talking about original songs that you wrote yourself, songs that have been recorded, and songs that are actually out there for people to listen to on whatever streaming platform they actually choose. Mostly Spotify, Apple Music, that is the best way for you to actually do it out there. YouTube Music, you can also do that, Amazon Music, whatever it is that you want to throw it at. These have to be out there, they need to be right there for you to actually be able to tell people, this is what I've done so far, this is my catalog, this is my portfolio. Number 2 is for you to have a brand. Now, branding is very important. In a world we have SoundCloud rappers in every street corner, what sets you apart from every other person? When you look at the likes of Billie Eilish, when you look at Nicki Minaj, when you look at Lil Nas X, okay, when you look at every single artist that's out there, when you look at DaBaby, well, I'll give you some other more specific examples. When you look at Harry Styles, when you look at Sam Smith, a bunch of things set these people apart. They've actually established a brand for themselves. You know them. Once you hear a certain voice, something, is it something that they say, is it something they do in your music videos? DJ Khaled, always screaming, always out there, always the vibe of the music video, always right there, hyping everything up. What is your brand? What is that unique thing that actually makes you spark, that sets you apart from every other person? What is that thing? When you identify that thing, and then you can actually work on it, build on it, and use that to expand on your brand. Number 3 is that you will get rejected. Be ready to deal with rejection in 2022, because if you don't deal with rejection, then you're not going to learn from your mistakes. You have to get rejected. It's inevitable. It's something that's always going to happen to anyone, to everyone. I've been rejected more times than I've actually been told yes. It happens every single day. You're going to get rejected by record labels, by music managers, anything, companies, artist management companies, anyone. They are going to reject you, but that's okay, because the number 4 thing they actually really need to do is for you to be smart and learn from your mistakes. Each time you get rejected, know what it is that you did wrong, get some feedback. This is what I used to do when I made this video talking about how to email record labels. I did learn from every single mistake before I put that video together, and today I can comfortably send an email to any record label, and when they reach out to me, it's going to be, oh, you know what, we're not ready to work with you with this time or something. I did get a bunch of feedback from there, so get the feedback. When they tell you no, get a bunch of feedback. Know what it is, what's the reason why you cannot work with me, why can't you sign me, why can't you give me a deal, why can't you give me a sponsorship or something. Get the bunch of feedback, and they're going to let you know if they're nice enough, but also it's left for you to use your initiative in order for you to know what it is that you actually did wrong and try to get that right. And last but not least, at number 5 is that you need to have drive. You need to know how to push, how to persevere, how to pursue. Do you want something? Go get it. Do you want to do something? Go ahead and do it. I told myself that this year I'm going to make a lot more better content, better quality content in terms of audio, in terms of video. I'm looking at the lights right there, in terms of every single thing, in terms of proper scripting, in terms of what I say, in terms of how the way I do things. Okay, that's why I came up to a new place. I told myself I'm going to push, I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to do this, I'm going to start punching out reels, I'm going to start putting out TikToks, I'm going to start making YouTube shorts. These are the things I listed for myself, and by the end of the year I'm going to look back and say, oh, you know what is it that I've done a lot well, what do I need to adjust on, what is it that I need to do a lot better, what is it that didn't work out so well, what do I need to drop, what do I need to not drop, what do I need to pick up on. It's important for you to know the right things and the right steps for you to take in order for you to be a lot more successful in your music career. So you can actually go right down into the video description right down below and check out 2 favorite links that I do have there. One of it is for Santa Lucia and one of it is for Jade Black. Santa Lucia gets you amazing fragrances at a really affordable price, and Jade Black actually gets you affordable eyewear at a really affordable price as well. 2 of my favorite companies I actually do love to work with. Do check them out, get 10% off anything that you do get from both of these stores. Now, when you're actually creating a catalog, a profile of songs, you'd want to make sure that you register those songs properly. And if you want to know how you can actually register your songs on BMI, I'm going to walk you through on a video right here. Just follow that link and check out a video right there. And also, if you want to know how you can actually get those songs in front of music industry professionals using LinkedIn, check out this video right here. It's going to be linked right there for you. My name is Terex, and I'll see you around. Take care.